The biggest change in the new model is the replacement of a new hybrid system. In terms of appearance design, the Lincoln Z hybrid version maintains the same design style as the fuel version but adds special 18/19" custom wheels as well as a special electro-optic silver color scheme for the hybrid version. In the exterior details, a hybrid logo and a special star grille replace the front face, and the special blue logo emphasizes the identity of the new energy model. In addition, the front and rear surround kits are also slightly different from the fuel version, but the design language of the entire vehicle remains consistent with the fuel version. The length, width and height of the hybrid version are 4982/1865/1485 mm respectively. And the wheelbase is 2930 mm, consistent with the fuel version. In terms of tail design, Lincoln Z Hybrid also uses the full-type taillight design technique. Its rear design is full of layers and maintains a full sense of sportiness. The interior design is also consistent with the fuel version. It is still equipped with a 12.3-inch full LCD display and a 27-inch central control screen. This design language is actually quite visually effective, and the car-chip Qualcomm 8155 processor does not pose any problems in terms of operating fluency and response speed. In terms of system, it is equipped with Lincoln Nebula Human-Computer Interaction System. The new car uses the 2.0T engine plus engine combination paired with eCVT transmission. The maximum power of the engine is 216 kilowatts and the maximum power of the engine is 216 kilowatts. Battery company with 140 kilowatts power. Limited. It is equipped with BYD lithium nickel cobalt manganate batteries manufactured by. The power output has been improved compared to the fuel-powered version. In the fuel-powered version, 0 to 100 km per hour is reached in 6.8 seconds, while in the hybrid version, this time takes 6.04 seconds. The overall appearance and texture are smoother, quieter and closer to an electric car.